Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on East West Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in eastwestbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official East West Bank website. Now from the homepage, you will directly see the login portal from which you can log in, or you can click on the login button at the top right corner to end up in the login portal. Then just choose from personal or business banking and then enter your credentials. Just type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your East West Bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you will be able to access your credit card section from which you can proceed forward with canceling your credit card. If you don't find this option, click on the contact option at the top section and you will be able to chat or call as well as send an email to the support team in order to have your card cancelled. You can also directly send a message by entering your name followed by your email address and your phone number. Then choose your location and then choose yes in the question which it says whether you are a current customer. Then within the topic, go ahead and choose credit cards and then within the message type in that you want to cancel your credit card. Finally, click on the submit button and your email will be sent to the support team, which will get a response in a few days, and you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to cancel your card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.